Rixos Premium Belek is one of Turkey's leading resorts. Located on the Mediterranean coast in Belek, the hotel offers its guests a unique blend of luxury, comfort, and entertainment. Since its opening in 2005 and after the latest renovation in 2017, Rixos Premium Belek continues to attract tourists from all over the world thanks to its high level of service and the variety of facilities offered. One of the main features of the hotel is its own 700-meter-long sandy beach, which is considered to be the longest in the Belek region. Guests can enjoy free sun loungers, umbrellas, and beach towels, as well as use two piers for relaxing by the sea. For families with children, the hotel offers extensive facilities. The Rixie Kids Club caters for children from 4 to 12 years old and offers a variety of activities including playrooms, art studios, special shows, and workshops. There is also an on-site water park with water slides, which is particularly popular with young guests. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate the facilities provided by the exclusive sports club. A variety of sports are available, including TRX, CrossFit, football, volleyball, and tennis. Professional trainers will help guests keep fit and enjoy an active lifestyle even on holiday. The hotel rooms are spacious and comfortable. Everything is thought out to the smallest detail. Attention to detail is felt. Cleaning is carried out qualitatively. The minibar is regularly replenished, and bed linen and towels are always fresh. Despite the fact that the building is not new, the condition of the rooms is excellent. Food meals are one of the strongest points of Rixos. The main restaurant pleases with quality, variety, and service. Every day there are dishes from different types of meat, fresh fruit, and sweets. Service at the level, waiters are attentive. On request they bring drinks, including Aperol, wine, and even whole bottles. Especially we would like to know People's Restaurant, working till 23:45. Here you can order dishes from the menu, meat assortment, grilled, burgers. They are especially praised, and much more. Everything is served quickly and deliciously, in a warm and cozy atmosphere. Bars and lounge areas. The lobby bar is a pleasant place to spend time with a drink. It is cozy, has a seating area, and a gorgeous view from the veranda, especially impressive in sunny weather. Entertainment and infrastructure. The hotel has a children's club, the Rixie Club, with a packed program and timetabled activities. Inside the club area are slot machines, available to all guests without restrictions. You can also play bowling by appointment and billiards, several tables, a little worn but working. For active guests, there is a spacious gym and animation programs for every taste. And in the evening, you can look at the night disco, cheerful, bright, with high-quality sound and premium alcohol. They really know how to create an atmosphere here. The Land of Legends. One of the key features of staying at Rixos Premium Belek is free unlimited access to the Land of Legends theme park. This is especially relevant for families with children. Shuttle service to the park is available on a scheduled basis. Within the park is the Kingdom Hotel, with themed rooms for children in pink and blue colors. Even in winter, there is plenty to do. Only the revision slides are not open. Entry to the park for outsiders ranges from $100 to $140 in season, so free access for Rixos guests is a huge saving and an added experience. Rixos Premium Belek also provides excellent facilities for business events. The hotel's conference rooms and business center are equipped with modern facilities and can accommodate up to 1,400 people, making it an ideal venue for conferences, seminars, and other events. Guest reviews emphasize the high level of service, variety of entertainment, and excellent food. Some note that in the winter period, there may be fewer activities, but the overall impression of the hotel remains positive. In general, Rixos Premium Belek is an ideal place for those looking for a combination of luxury, comfort, and a variety of entertainment. With its high level of service, diverse infrastructure, and unique location, the hotel remains one of the best options for holidays in Turkey.